So here we have our first pour going through a sock here. So this could be phase one of the filtration process. And if we're going to be moving these fluids around and doing work, the idea is to at least pass them through some sort of filtration, so we have some progress as we move along, stage by stage. Ultimately, the goal is to invest in a centrifuge that, according to our research, is the ideal tool for the job. We're not trying to shoot ourselves in the foot by blowing up injectors or allowing water to get into our alternative fuel here. So we're going to take this process nice and slow. There's no rush because we have the option of running B20, which is 20% biodiesel available commercially. B100, in the past we had a biodiesel reactor, but having sodium hydroxide, really strong lye, and a tank of methanol for the reaction just didn't make us super comfortable, especially having all those chemicals about. So that's why we're going to go to the waste veggie oil system here. This is quite a bit less chemicals involved, whereas we're going to use heat, a heated tank system. The heat's going to come from diverting coolant that's already being used to cool the engine, and valves to switch between the factory tank and then the alternative tank. So we'll document all that for our own knowledge, and be very happy to share. Cool feature, the bottom of our small lid of this conical tank has a little loop in it. That's going to allow us to loop a carabiner, and that can loop into the sock. That way, instead of a hook, we don't ever accidentally, inadvertently allow it to fall off. And then take our rod out here. We can take this sock, push it down into our tank here, and suspend it. Save it for later. So that thing's completely clogged. There it is, just kind of hanging out. There we go. So there's our first batch starting to settle, and it's already been passed through a 100 micron filter. We'll do a couple more oil changes on our fleet of vehicles here and take a look at that filter and see how long it holds up.